This is map of Laguna. Welcome to Laguna, a province where nature, culture, and history come together to create unforgettable experience.
Mount Makiling is a dormant stratovolcano in Laguna, Philippines, known for its rich biodiversity, geological features, hot mud spring, and as a popular hiking spot managed by UPLV as a forest reserve deeply tied to the legend of Maria Makiling. The Rizal Shrine primarily refers to two significant sites in the Philippines: the reconstructed ancestral home in Calamba, Laguna, where national hero Jose Rizal was born and given up, showing his childhood life, and the museum in Fort Santiago, Intramuros, Manila, marking the site of his final prison cells, containing memorabilia from his life and exile, and where be pinned in famous poem, Mi Ultimo Adios.
The culture of Laguna is Cariñosa and Pandango sa Ilaw are popular Philippine folk dances commonly performed at festival, cultural events, and for tourists to showcase Filipino heritage, reflecting Spanish influences and local tradition. The festival in Laguna is Buhayani Festival is a vibrant annual festival in Calamba, Laguna, celebrating Philippine national hero Dr. Rizal, especially around his June 19 birthday, merging Buhay and Bayani to honor his legacy and inspire everyday heroes from cultural events and parades and contests.
The local delicacies: Espasol, a soft rice cake from Laguna coated in toast rice flour and wrapped in banana leaves. Buko pie, Laguna most famous delicacy, made from fresh coconut and creamy filling inside a flex crush.
From breathtaking natural wonders and rich cultural heritage to delicious local delicates, Laguna offers an experience like no other. Come and explore Laguna where every journey becomes a memorable adventure. Sunset over Laguna Lakes, smiling local centuries, scenic natural shoots and festival.